morning, student. In the previous class, we have started our geography chapter 2, globe, latitudes and longitudes. In the previous class, in this chapter, we taught about the details of latitudes by the figure, latitudes and longitudes. But we taught about latitudes with more details. Today we will continue our next topic, longitudes, with more details. So students, let's start. Open your page number 107. We already know that to locate any place on the Earth's surface, we need to refer to the location of the place east or west from a given line of reference. Apart from knowing the latitude of the place, for example, Allahabad in India and Hyderabad in Pakistan. Before the division of our country in 1947, Hyderabad divided in two parts. One part in India and other part in Pakistan. The Indian part is called Hyderabad Dekkan and Pakistani part is called Hyderabad Sindh. So they are located along the same latitude, 25 degree north and 25 degree north. But we can know about the actual location of the place only when we refer to its longitude along with the latitude. Latitude के साथ साथ में longitude भी वो actual place को decide करने में, उसको determine करने में हमें help करता है. Allahabad is located at 81 degree to 85 degree with approximately 82 degree east longitude, while Hyderabad of Pakistan is located along Hyderabad of Pakistan is located along 68 degree to 68 something this place, 68 degree to 38 degree. Sorry, 36 degree, something like this place. Longitude and Allahabad 82 degree. This place, right? Something like that. On the globe, the lines of longitude extend. On the globe, you can see on the globe the line of longitude. This is the line of longitude. Extend from pole to pole, north pole to south pole. It looks like a pale orange. The line of reference for locating places east or west is the prime meridian. Prime meridian. This is the line divider. Sorry. Yes, this is the line of divider east or west. This line is called the prime meridian. For historical reason, in 1884, the meridian passing the Old Royal Astronomical Observatory in Greenwich, England, was chosen as the 0 degree longitude or prime meridian. There are 180 meridians to the east and 180 meridians to the west of the prime meridian. 180 meridian to the east side and 180 meridian from the to the west side from the meridian. This is the meridian line. Okay? They are angular distance of place east or west of the prime meridian measured from the center of the earth. However, if you observe a globe, you will see that 180 degree east and 180 degree west meridian is the same line. You can see 180 degree east and 180 degree west meridian lines is the same line. The total number of lines of meridian on the globe are 360. How many lines? 360 lines is the total number of the lines of the meridian. Now we come to the characteristics of the longitude. All meridians are the half circle because they join the north and south poles. All meridians are the half circles. The east meridians and west meridians all are the half circle because they connect the two poles, north and south. They are of equal length. Look at the globe again, you will see that 180 degree meridian and 0 degree meridian. 0 degree meridian is this is our prime meridian. 0 degree meridian, this is the meet each other to form a complete circle. They divide the earth into two equal halves, the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. You can now understand easily. This is the this line is divided into eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. Two opposite meridians meet to form a complete circle. Two opposite meridians जहाँ पे मीट करती है कोई पूरा कंप्लीट सर्कल बनाती है. They divide the earth into two equal halves, so all meridians are termed as great circles. The distance between the lines of longitude decrease from 111 km at the equator towards the poles, where the distance is zero as all the meridians meet here. Distance of zero, all the meridians meet here. Meridians are not parallel. You taught now, you learned about this. Latitudes are parallel and meridians are not parallel. Each other like latitudes, the meridians are equidistant to each other. Importance of the longitude. Why longitudes are so important for us? Apart from helping in locating places, longitudes play a prime role in measuring time. टाइम को मेजर करने पर, उसको काउंट करने के लिए ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है longitude. Since time immemorial, our concept of time is based on the position and apparent movement of sun across the sky. This is due to rotation of the earth on its axis from west to east. ये क्यों पॉसिबल है? क्योंकि इसका रोटेशन वेस्ट टू ईस्ट. कैसे रोटेट करता है? वेस्ट टू ईस्ट की तरफ रोटेट करता है. The earth complete one circle of rotation through 360 degree in 24 hours. One circle 24 hours में 360 degree एक रोटेशन इसका कंप्लीट होता है. This means that each of the 360 degrees of longitude faces the sun at midday once in 24 hours. 24 hours में 360 डिग्री के जो रोटेशन 360 डिग्री के जितने भी लॉन्गिट्यूड सबको एक बार 24 आवर्स. We can see 24 hours or 360 degree rotation or 24 hours for 360 degree rotation. So how many times in 1 hour, how many for 15 degree rotation, how many time they take? 1 hour is 360 degree divided by 24 hours is equal 15 degree rotation. In the 1 hours or take 15 degree rotation. 1 hour means 60 minutes. In 60 minutes, they can take 15 degree rotation. So, how we get for 1 degree rotation? How many times Earth can take? For 1 degree rotation, time required 60 minutes for 15 degree. 15 डिग्री रोटेशन के लिए 60 मिनट का टाइम लगता है. तो 60 मिनट को 15 डिग्री से डिवाइड करने पे हमें 4 मिनट्स मिलेगा. तो अर्थ के लिए 4 मिनट्स फॉर 1 डिग्री रोटेशन. अंडरस्टैंड नहीं हो? अर्थ के 4 मिनट्स फॉर 1 डिग्री रोटेशन. नाउ लोकल टाइम एंड स्टैंडर्ड टाइम. लोकल टाइम मीन्स सन टाइम. सन जैसे इन द अर्ली टाइम्स भी हम लोग जानते हैं ना कि जैसे कि दादा दादी सब कहते हैं सन देख के बता देते थे कि इतना टाइम हो रहा है, उतना टाइम हो रहा है. इस तरह का हमें कुछ पता चलता था. अभी आप लोग को तो नहीं, कि हमारे टाइम पे बिल्कुल हमें पता चल रहा है. हमारे दादा दादी कहते थे कि अगर वो सन को देख के कि यहाँ पे सन पहुंचा है, यहाँ पे वो राइज हो रहा है, वहाँ पे वो पहुंचा है, तो इतना टाइम हो रहा है, वो तुरंत वो डिसाइड कर लेते थे. तो दिस इज द लोकल टाइम. द The local time means sun time. The sun can be overhead at any one meridian at a time. सभी मेरिडियन के पास दिन में एक बार वो उसके मध्य में सन जाता है. दिस इज द लोकल टाइम. Only all places located along that meridian will have 12 noon at that time. तो एवरी मेरिडियन पे वहाँ पे वो जब ओवरहेड होता है उसी टाइम पे वहाँ पे 12 o'clock माना जाता है. Midday occurs at different times at different meridians, so the local time varies from one meridian to another. इस तरह से एक मेरिडियन से दूसरे मेरिडियन को वो डिफरेंट करता है, क्योंकि जिस मेरिडियन पे ओवरहेड होता है उस टाइम पे सन, तो उस मेरिडियन पे वहाँ पे 12 नून माना जाता है. Local time is calculated by the shadow cast by the sun. It is shortest at noon and longest at sunrise and sunset. Sunrise और sunset पे वो लॉन्गेस्ट होता है और उसका शेडो शॉर्टेस्ट कब होता है, जब वो नून में होता है, मतलब मध्य में, आफ्टरनून में. As the earth keeps rotating, the place at different longitudes will have different time. As the earth rotates from west to east, people in the east will see the sun first. For instance, Dwarka at 68 degree and 9 east, Gujarat to the west of India will be 1 hour 44 minutes behind the time of Dibrugarh, Assam. 1 hour and 44 minutes behind. Assam से वो पीछे रहता है. Approximately 95 degree east in the east. For each longitude, there would be difference of additional 4 minutes. 4 minutes का वहाँ पे extra difference पाया जाता है. But that would mean that a traveler going from one end to the country to the other, say from Kolkata to Ahmedabad, would have to keep on adjusting his watch to keep up his appointment. To avoid this confusion and inconvenience, each country has to avoid this confusion and inconvenience, each country has adopted standard time. हर कंट्री का अपना एक स्टैंडर्ड टाइम होता है. इन इंडिया द लॉन्गिट्यूड 82 डिग्री to 30 degree passing near Allahabad is more or less the central meridian. So it has been selected as a standard meridian for our country. 82 degree to 30 degree passing near the Allahabad is more or less the central meridian. 82 degree इलाहाबाद में है, वो सेंट्रल मेरिडियन के रूप में आता है, इसलिए उसको स्टैंडर्ड टाइम माना जाता है. Standard meridian for our country. The local time along this meridian is taken as the standard time for our country, which is 82 and a half into 4 is equal 330 minutes or 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. Greenwich Time. Greenwich Mean Time. This is the Greenwich. और यूनिवर्सल टाइम. यूनिवर्सल टाइम से हम लोग 5 hours and 30 minutes आगे हैं. सो द इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड टाइम और IST इज 5 hours 30 minutes अहेड ऑफ GMT. GMT से उसका डिफरेंस कितना है, 5 hours and 30 minutes का. टाइम जोन्स. Most countries of the world adopt their standard time from the central meridian of their countries. The whole world is divided into different standard time zones, each of which differ from next by 15 degree in longitude or 1 hour in time. Countries which have great east-west extents like Australia, Canada, USA and Russia have more than one standard time and different time zones. Russia, Canada, USA and Australia have more than one standard time and different time zones. Example, Canada has 6 time zones, USA has 4 time zones, Russia has 11 time zones and whole world has how many time zones? 24 time zones. The international date line. We already know that longitude 180 degree east and 180 degree west are the same line. 180 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree east and 180 degree west is the same line. It is located on the other side of 0 degree of primary meridian. As we move other side of the 0 degree primary meridian, है ना, तो यहाँ से जो मीट करता है 180 डिग्री, ये जो आपका ये लाइन है, ये करते बढ़ते जो यहाँ पे 180 डिग्री से मीट करता है वो जीरो मेरिडियन पे जाके पीक करता है वहां, तो उसको प्राइम मेरिडियन। वी आर गेन time until at 180 degree east we are 12 hours ahead of GMT. When we move westward of 180 degree west we will be 12 hours behind GMT. जब हम वेस्ट की तरफ जाते हैं तो GMT से 12 घंटे पीछे होते हैं, और जब इस साइड जाते हैं तो हम GMT से, GMT में ग्रीनविच मीन टाइम, तो उसे हम 12 घंटे आगे होते हैं। There is a difference of 24 hours or a day when we cross ईस्ट और वेस्ट ऑफ दिस लाइन। जब ईस्ट और वेस्ट का ये लाइन ग्रीनिच मीन टाइम का जो लाइन है उसको जब क्रॉस करते हैं उसमें कितना टाइम पीरियड लगता है, 24 आवर्स का, पूरे एक दिन का टाइम वो लेता है। दिस लाइन इज नॉन एज इंटरनेशनल डेट लाइन। दिस लाइन इज नॉन एज इंटरनेशनल डेट लाइन। इट इज line on which a day is either added to the calendar or subtracted. It means that traveling towards the east, one will lose a day, and traveling towards the west, one will gain a day. The line is, however, not straight. It is called to avoid landmass and passes through ocean. This is to avoid falling in any standard time zone of any country. As you know, we know about the longitudes, latitudes and longitudes. Which is latitudes and which is longitudes, we are clearly taught about this by the figure. So students, today we will complete our this chapter, and in the next class we will continue our civics chapter 2. Thank you.